famous investor Michael Burry shock financial world? He call Nvidia $500 billion AI push giant Wall Street stunt. Big bubble pop soon. Watch market burn. You ready for crash? Look at these charts. Michael Burry sees history repeating. The AI frenzy looks exactly like the dot-com bubble before the crash. Investors ignore the warnings, but the numbers do not lie. Pain is coming. Nvidia stock peaks, leading tech sector to new heights. But Michael Burry issues grim warning. New tech giants? New boss, same as old boss. Crash imminent. Watch charts closely. Red flags rise across market. Wall Street holds breath. Tech stocks shake. Big investors ask hard question, is AI boom real or giant bubble ready to pop? Fear grows. Watch charts closely. Wall Street is tearing itself apart over Michael Burry's latest warning. As analysts scream at each other, panicked investors aren't waiting around. They're dumping tech giants fast, desperate to lock in cash before the crash. Inside Nvidia, executives scramble to save their valuation. But logic is gone. Fear rules the market now, triggering massive panic selling. The bosses are pleading, but investors are already running for the exits. Tech sell-offs triggered massive margin calls, spreading panic everywhere. Now, even safe index funds are crashing hard. Forced liquidations drag the entire market down. Absolutely no one is safe. Behind closed doors, central banks scramble. Emergency meetings called. Global credit freezes. Panic spreads fast. World economy gears grind to halt. Can they stop collapse before too late? Main Street collapses. Banks lock doors. Retail investors watch life savings vanish instantly. Panic spreads fast. Hard-earned money gone forever. System failed them. Now, survival begins. Look at empty vaults. Desperate governments pump billions into the system, trying to halt the panic. But it's too late. The cash in your pocket is losing value by the second, and angry mobs are taking over the streets. Paper money turned to trash overnight. Ships stopped moving. Shelves emptied. Now, neighbors fight neighbors for last loaf of bread. How long can you survive when grocery store becomes war zone? Suddenly, the lights flicker and die. Whole cities plunge into pitch black. Phones lose signal, leaving you completely cut off from the world. In the freezing dark, you are now entirely on your own. When the grid died, the water stopped. Faucets gasped dry. Now, millions are fleeing dark, silent cities, chasing the basic resource they took for granted. How long could you survive on what you can carry? Look at these ruins. Once great cities, now dust. Survivors huddle in camps, trading useless silicon microchips for drops of clean water. Old world is dead. We trade trash for life now. Look at this silence. A world ruined by our own creation. When the AI bubble finally pops and drags everything down to hell, tell me, will you be one of the few who survive?